Ilan po need na capital dyan? So, dito, you can start for as low as $50 or 100. So, kung magka-copy trading ka, some strategy providers require at least $50. And some require 100. So, it depends, no, kung sino yung kokopyahan mo. And kung magla-live trading ka on your own, I highly suggest you start with demo account, try to fill it out, and then from there, you can actually feel kung magkano, or you can actually study kung magkano yung ilalagay mo or kung magkano yung kaya mo dito sa pagte-trade, no. But you can always start with the lower capital. So again, I'd like to share my story. I started with $80 capital, and I was able to grow it, no? So ayun, and it's also yielding some results coming from that $80. So malayo-layo na yung napuntahan nung $80 capital na yun. So yun, again, it really depends on your target. Be realistic, no? So kung $50 yan, you can target at least $2 to $3 na profit, and then okay ka na, no, per day. So pag kinumbine mo yan, or kinumpound mo naman yan, $2 to $3, so $2 to $3 times 22 days, so magkano rin yun, no? So around $60. So bawi mo na siya, no, in just 2 months. So you cannot get that from other investment opportunity, no. So but this one, you cannot treat this as investment. You need to treat this as business, no. So you really take this seriously, and yun, kailangan talaga pag-aralan mo siya, no. So maraming kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, maraming beses ka pang magfi-fail dito. And I'm just being honest, you will, or you can make this work, yun. So it's all about risk management, no. So you can make this work by being able to really manage your profit, your losses. So dun lang talaga siya umikot na. So pag nakuha mo na yung concept, no, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and you were able to gain some profit, so ayan, grow your account, and then put emphasis on the risk management. So yun lang. I'd like to see you try forex trading. So meron tayong forex trading community dyan sa Telegram. So I'd like to see you there. Nandiyan lang yung link sa my bio natin. See you.